All right, you guys. So today's a new day. New. It's not a modification, but it is a maintenance item that you guys would always check off, and it's actually very slept on, right? So this is an air cabin filter. I believe it costed around $25-30 from Lexus. It's a very good maintenance item. Why? So that your car, your interior doesn't stink. I'm doing it for preventative maintenance. I believe this car has never gotten the air cabin filter replaced, so it kind of, I wouldn't say the car doesn't stink, but it's just like when you turn on the AC, it just has like a very hint smell and then it goes away. So I believe it's time to replace it. I believe it's never been replaced. So it's very easy. You don't really need any tools. Very self-explanatory. Only thing I say is just dump out everything in your glove box, and this should be good for the 06 to 13 models as well. Takes literally 3 minutes, so I'll show you guys how to do it real quick. Well, as you guys can see here, right, this tray right here, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to pop it up and then push outwards. It's very simple, and you should be able to see your air cabin filter housing. What you're gonna do is you're gonna, like, I believe it's pull towards you or pull up. Oh, it's pull up. Super simple, and you should be able to see your air cabin filter. Oh my god. All right, so you got 3 clips right here that you're gonna want to push manually forward. You have 2 hands, so you should be able to have 10 fingers. And if you don't, I'm sorry, I don't know what else to say. All right, so you push these up, and then you push the filter up, and then you just slide right out. There you go. Super simple, and that is fun. So now that I have both of them out here, let's compare them. I mean, it's so, bro, you can just notice, like, that's just disgusting. Wow, you got leaves in there, you got creatures in there. Who knows what's in there? Anyways, let me just break open the box real quick. Filter, 1 second, and right there, perfect. All right, so I'm so sorry for all the movement. Wow. So I'm assuming this has never been replaced since the car has been out. There's just no way that could get that dirty. I mean, like, I don't know if you guys can see. You got leaves, wool, stuff like that, dirt. Disgusting. Disgusting. Wow, I'm breathing all this in. Basically, you are breathing all this in when you're inside your car. You have the AC on, right? Anyways, there is one thing, you guys. If you guys do not see the black cover that's covering the air filter housing, whatever, it's because you have your AC and I believe it's outwards effect, so it closes it off. It's vice versa, just you'll know when you see it. So yeah. Well, as you guys have it, that's very much it for the cabin air filter. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. On to the next video.